Hi guys, in this video you will learn how to translate text on ChatGPT. Well, to do that, open your ChatGPT or go to your browser and search ChatGPT or just type chat.openai.com and then log into your account. You can see now the whole interface of ChatGPT. Now ask a question. Then ChatGPT will answer your question. Now to translate those words on ChatGPT, tap the three dots at the upper right corner and then tap translate. Then tap the gear icon and tap more languages. So here you can see now the language that are available to translate those words on ChatGPT, like Bulgarian, Chinese, and Croatian. So we're gonna choose Cebuano, and you can see now that the words are already translated. So that's how to translate text on ChatGPT. If you like this video, please click the like and subscribe and ring the bell icon to notify you to our next video. Thank you for watching.